Hey guys, it's Janai. Welcome back, or welcome if you're new. Today I'm gonna be putting y'all on to the temporary tattoos that I've been playing with for like the past 2 months. If you guys don't keep up with me, I have been trying little temporary tattoos here and there. I tried them on my head. I did 2 on my arms, and I tried one on my shoulder blade. So yeah, that's what today's video is about. Yeah, so I just have been trying a whole bunch of different temporary tattoos. As you see, I have one right here, but I'm gonna show y'all later in the video. I've been getting them for like $1. Like I bought a whole bunch. These are the ones that I have left right now. I have colored ones and black and white ones. I bought mostly colored ones though, because I like colored tattoos. But yeah, I got them off Shein for $1. Literally, if you go to their website and look at their tattoos, they literally have so many. They have big ones, small ones, color ones, black and white ones for your arms, ones for your legs. They got words, they got all types of stuff. You could put them anywhere. They got whole sleeves, they got back pieces, they got all kinds of stuff. Like literally, there are literally so many options. Like when I found out about this, and do you see this? Some of these are 50 cents, $1.50, $2. Like they have a whole back piece one for like $4. Like yo, they literally have so many. So if you just check out their website, they got a whole bunch. So I'm gonna show you guys how to put them on in case you have never used them before. They're super easy to use. I'm gonna be taking one of these smaller ones from this little one full of different ones, because some of them come as like one thing, and then some of them come with like a sheet of small ones, and then you just cut out the ones that you use. So you see I have already done that. So for today, I think I will put on this one to show you guys. So I'm gonna just cut this out. Okay, so here is, if you can't see what it is, it's like a wave in a triangle. And you don't have to cut it out perfectly, because only the tattoo is gonna get on you, not the shape that you cut it out in. So I usually do this in the bathroom so that I have a sink, because you're gonna need to use a like wet rag. And for now, I'm gonna just be putting it right here just to show y'all. It's gonna go right there. So what you have to do, this part is really important. Y'all gotta make sure y'all take off this plastic on the front. Otherwise, the tattoo is just gonna transfer onto this plastic, okay? So take this off, and then you just put it on wherever you want it, with the tattoo facing your skin. You just put it on like that. And then you take a wet rag and you just hold it there for like up to a minute. I don't think you have to hold it for a whole minute, and it also depends on how big or small it is, but yeah, you just hold that on there. I literally love temporary tattoos, like just to play with, or just to make looks, or like just to see where you would want a tattoo, or try out different kinds. All right, so it's done, and then you literally just peel the white off, and then it's there, you see? I didn't put it on straight, but that's not the point. That's how easy it is to use. Okay, so now y'all probably wonder how long they last. So the smaller the tattoo, the less however long it's gonna last. So this tattoo honestly will probably wash off when I get in the shower tonight, but this tattoo is probably gonna last a few days. When I did that whole arm sleeve, when I was recreating that Rico Nasty look, I had that on for like a week, and then after a week, when I got in the shower and I was like scrubbing it off, it took me so long to scrub that thing off. And even after I did all of that, it wasn't even all the way off. It's all the way off now, but yeah, that one, because it was so like dark and shaded, and how big it was, that one honestly probably could have lasted like 2 weeks. This one, I could see it lasting like up to 5 days, and this one on my ankle is definitely gonna wash off tonight, and this one, if it doesn't wash off tonight, it might wash off tomorrow night. So it really just depends on how filled in it is. Like this one might last a little longer just because of how filled in it is. This one, since it's like a word and then this part might last longer than this, you know what I mean? So yeah, I just wanted to share that with you guys, because I have been doing a whole bunch of different looks with them, and even one of them, my tat artist, thought was real. Actually, a couple people thought it was real. So that's it. If you guys have any other questions, just comment below. If you guys aren't already subscribed to my channel, be sure to do that right now, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!